Good morning, Bill here with another edition of Metal Minutes. Today is Wednesday, April 14th, 2021. Well, we've had another week of climbing for gold and silver. We have gold up 0.6 at 1752 earlier this morning. Silver is up another 2% to 2552. We have platinum taking a breather. It's down 4% and several weeks of climbing higher. It's taking a breather. And palladium is up an additional 2% to 2721 amidst news that the Russian mine that was flooded is coming back online. So that's good news. Well, we've had still some good numbers on the 1 year mark. Gold is the least of which, up 1% for 1 year. We have silver up 62%, platinum's up 52%, and palladium's up 22% for 1 year. So that's great. Well, we've had some interesting news in the silver market. It's come out that the Bank of America is believed to have a huge short position on physical silver to the tune of 300 million ounces that they took sometime last year. And so this just came out in the reporting, end of the year reporting, which wasn't revealed until the end of March. But this means that they borrowed 300 million ounces of physical silver from JP Morgan. They're paying them rent. They in turn sold that physical silver to the ETF markets. They took in about $8.3 billion in cash for that, but now they're $2 billion, a little over $2 billion in the hole back to JP Morgan because the silver they borrowed was at about $18. Of course, now it's up over $7 since then. So that's interesting. That's one reason why there's so much manipulation trying to force the price of silver, and similar case for gold, down. Part of the reason is some of these banks are really short and they're underwater right now on their silver positions. And so this is believed to have something to do with the silver squeeze movement. They've removed quite a bit of silver off of the COMEX, and so that's part of the ability to manipulate the price, is you have to have some physical in order to do that manipulation. So that ability to manipulate is being decreased. We also have the inflation story. The money supply has grown dramatically compared to the GDP in several nations, and I'm showing you a chart here of several different areas, the United States, Japan, and Europe, and you see that the currency has gone way beyond what the production of the economy would normally fit there. So that's a future story, and it's an ongoing story for inflation, and it's just another reason to be an owner of precious metals. And when these things begin to lose control, which they appear to be doing, that's going to unleash silver and gold to the upside. Many are calling for $50 before the year's out for silver, and $2,500 possibly for gold. So there's a lot of fireworks yet to happen this year, and so we encourage you to stay tuned, and we'll talk to you again next week. Thanks a lot.